The vectors are a list of numbers. If we have a vector in a string format, we can say that we have a comma separated values like this: 0.5, comma, 0.3, comma, and 0.2, etc. So let's try to calculate the vector similarity between two vectors given in a string format, and let's try to write a user-defined function in T-SQL. Our function name is fn cosine similarity, and it gets two parameters, vector A and vector B. These are nvarchar max format, and returns float between 0 to 1. We are declaring the cosine similarity variable as float. This is our returning value, and we know that the vectors are given in a comma separated string. If you want to make a calculation with these vectors, we have to split these values into a table. So in user-defined functions, we can use table type variables. So we are declaring AV as table, IDX auto increment, and value float, B vector table, IDX identity, and value float. So we are parsing these vectors into these tables. Insert into AV, val, select try-cast value as float, string split, vector A, separate by, comma. We are splitting these vectors into the table. We are making the same operation for vector B and insert into table BV, and we are using the string split too. Last control, we are checking the vectors len. They must be the same. So we are checking with count function here and count function with other vector. If they are not equal each other, we are returning null. Next step, we should compute dot product and magnitudes. We are defining dot product and magnitude A and magnitude B. Remember, we calculate these formula in T-SQL, our former video, and dot product is here, magnitude A is here, and magnitude B is here. We are checking the magnitude A and magnitude B are equal 0, because if they are, we will get an error divided by 0. So we know that the cosine similarity is equal dot product division mag A multiply mag B, and return cosine similarity. Yes, this is our function. Let's create it. Now we will check this. Now we have two vectors. This is our first vector with 3 elements. And yes, this is the cosine similarity, and it's almost the same. And the cosine distance, you know, it's 1 minus the cosine similarity. Yes, the distance is very small, and these two vectors are very close, very similar to each other. Yes, in these examples, we showed vector data as nvarchar, but SQL Server 2025 and Azure SQL are supported new type of data. Its name is vector, and it contains a vector distance function built in. SQL Server 2025 is private preview for now, but in Azure SQL we can use vector data type and other vector functions. In next video, we will create an Azure SQL database and code our applications on Azure SQL database. I talk about this algorithm because I want to show how easy it is. After this video, we will use the native vector distance function on Azure SQL database.